Hello grade 6 learners! How are you today? I hope you are fine and enjoy doing your activities while studying at home. Also remember, especially now, in our current situation, we'll have to be safe and protected against COVID-19 virus. Always wear face mask when you are outdoors. Wash your hands with soap and clean water and bring alcohol at all times. This is me, Teacher Yasmin, your science teacher, always eager and happy to be with you in your journey as we explore the amazing world of science. After this lesson, you are expected to, number 1, enumerate what to do before, during, and after earthquakes. Number 2, show appreciation about the importance of safety precautions to observe before, during, and after earthquakes. Before we start with our lesson, let us have a short story. Listen very well while your classmate Sherwin reads the story.
Shake, Shake, and Celebrate by Delby S. Madrid. One summer day, Berto and his family decided to have a picnic in a park to celebrate his grandfather's birthday. That night, he was very happy and excited. He helped his mother in preparing everything for the picnic. He even made a birthday card for his grandfather. Early morning in the park, the family and some relatives were singing happily and enjoying being together while celebrating grandfather's birthday. In just a moment, they felt that the ground was shaking and the things were moving and trembling. People in the park were panicking, some were running, looking for somewhere to hide. Children were crying and everyone was afraid. An earthquake was happening. Since Berto's mothers knew what to do, they went to an open space without something to fall like posts, electric wires, or trees. He remembered to drop, cover, and hold position from the school earthquake drill. While the ground was shaking, Berto's family kept on praying for their safety. Meanwhile, people in the park followed the family in an open space with the drop, cover, and hold position. Earthquake lasted for 30 seconds. Everyone silently walked and packed their things to go home, even though they're scared. Berto embraced his grandfather with tears, saying, "Happy birthday, Grandpa!" His father smiled and told him, "Thank you, grandson. Do not be scared. It's over."
Did you listen to the story? Very good. Now, answer these questions. First question, what happened when Berto and his family are celebrating in the park?
While Berto and his family are celebrating in the park, an earthquake happened.
That's right, Francesco. An earthquake occurred when they are celebrating at the park. Second question, what do you need to do in case of disasters like earthquakes?
In case an earthquake happened and we are outdoors, we have to go to an open space and do the drop, cover, and hold position.
Very good, Jocelyn. As we do in our earthquake drills, and because Berto's mother knew what to do, they went to an open space and do the drop, cover, and hold position. Third question, how can you protect yourself from danger caused by earthquakes?
To protect ourselves from danger caused by earthquakes, we have to always be ready and prepared.
Good job! As Mark Jovel said, we must always be ready and prepared at all times. Earthquakes are dangerous. It is hard to tell when they are going to happen. Earthquakes can occur anytime. But how do we keep ourselves safe when there is an earthquake? There is no exact answer for that. What is important is that we know what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. In today's lesson, we are going to enumerate what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. What to do before an earthquake? Check the structure of your house or building. Look for potentially dangerous things such as steep hill slopes, hanging objects, falling debris, and many more. Familiarize yourself with your home and school. Know the routes you will take to get out from the building in case of an earthquake. Find a place where fire extinguishers, first aid kits, alarms, and communication facilities are located. Know how to use the said facilities and equipment. Prepare an emergency plan to cope with the disaster. Have a stock of potable water, flashlight, radio, batteries, spare clothes, and some food packed. You may need this in case of an evacuation. What to do during an earthquake? Keep calm when you feel the earthquake. If you are inside the building, go under a desk or table. If you are outside, stay away from buildings or electric posts or anything that might fall. Do not rush to the exit when you are in a crowded place like a theater, mall, train, or stadium to avoid stampede. If you are in a moving car, ask the driver to stop and park the car away from buildings, electric wires, or posts. Do not use the elevators during and after an earthquake. You can be stranded inside the elevator if a power failure occurs. If you are residing near a coastal area, always be aware of tsunami. If you feel an earthquake, immediately run to higher grounds. What to do after an earthquake? Find a safe place when the earthquake is over. Aftershocks are likely to follow. Check the safety of your family members. If someone is missing or in trouble, seek aid to find them. Do not attempt to cross bridges and overpasses which may have been damaged by the earthquake. Check for fires if there are any. Some damages from the earthquake may result to a fire. In case you see a fire, locate the nearest fire control or alarm unit and use it. Keep yourself updated and alert. Authorities may issue some instructions to reduce the effects of earthquakes. Did you listen well? Very good! Now, let us see if we learned something from our lesson today. Enumerate what to do before, during, and after an earthquake by matching the pictures to the words or group of words given inside the cloud. Write your answers on a sheet of paper. You have 1 minute to do it. Now, let us check your answers. Are your answers correct? Good job, kids! Have you experienced earthquake? Can you tell something about it?
I do not experience a major earthquake, but I had watched a news about it. There are many people shouting for help, panicking and ground shakes. After the earthquake, there are many buildings and houses collapse. Many people are injured and died.
That's right, Shanna Piel. Earthquakes can make us lose our properties, loved ones, and even our own lives. Let us keep praying that it won't happen. Kids, remember, after earthquakes, it is not advisable for us to stay outdoors, just like what is happening to us in this time of pandemic. Let us keep ourselves safe and protected. Why is it important to be prepared before, during, and after an earthquake?
Each time there's a major disaster like earthquake, lives are lost. Preparation can cut down on the loss of lives, which is why we should follow the preparedness guide in what to do before, during, and after an earthquake.
Very good, Alexis. Knowing the precautionary steps to take before, during, and after earthquakes and other calamities can greatly reduce the danger and worries in the family. It can also protect yourself and your loved ones. How is it, kids? Can you now enumerate what to do before, during, and after earthquake? Great job, kids! Now I'm sure that you can answer this activity. For the direction, copy the table below to enumerate what to do before, during, and after an earthquake that you have remembered. Choose the correct answers inside the box. Write your answers on a sheet of paper. You have 1 minute to do it. Now, let us check your answers. Were you able to answer all the questions, kids? Wow, that's awesome! You did a great job today. For your assignment, prepare your own emergency kit at home and list down the things inside your kit. Write your answers on a sheet of paper. Pass your assignment together with your modules, answer sheets, and assessment sheets on the next retrieval and distribution day. And take a picture of your emergency kit and post it in our group chat. I hope that you have a great time learning with me. Always remember that learning will never be that fun if you did not learn at all. Always keep in mind that science is everywhere and we are all part of science. That will be your edge for tomorrow's quest because learning never ends. Thank you and goodbye.